Miter saws, yes, they're Black Friday deals, holiday deals. These just popped up today. The buy one get one free, whatever you want to call it, for the miter saws. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting that like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more holiday deals, more glitches, price glitches, yes, Black Friday stuff. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'll leave you guys the links to all these down below in the description section of this video. Just keep in mind there are affiliate links and no additional cost to you. So just pay regular price or whatever they have here. All right, let's start here. The first one, this is a 15 amp single bevel compact miter saw. It's a 500 pound with 500 pound capacity compact miter saw stand. It's actually a pretty dang good deal. Yeah, shop Black Friday. So these are Black Friday deals. $279. That's actually a pretty good deal. It does come with the stand. Let's see. Yep, that's the stand right there. For $279, I think that's a really good deal. Just keep in mind, guys, these will sell out. Some of these are on the special buy of the day. So I don't know if they doubled on the discount on this one, but it is what it is. So it might be a double stack. Just keep in mind that this is a single bevel miter saw. But still pretty solid deal for a Dewalt. I'm thinking of getting it myself. It's very, very cheap. And there's 1,500 available. These 1,500 puppies available. Let's see here. Next one down. This is just a regular price, I believe. Double bevel miter saw. All right, $5.99. Same thing with that one. Check this one out, guys. You got the Mama Jama. This one's the tool savings. 15 amp corded 12-inch double bevel compound miter saw with blade. I believe this one's the 779 TWS 779. So $459 with the bundle. That's a really, really good deal on this one. That's how much this miter saw costs by itself. Let's see here. Yep, DWS 779. I was correct. So definitely get that one, guys. That one's a really good deal because it is the dual bevel miter saw. If you guys don't know what the difference is, basically a dual bevel miter saw, if you have a really long piece of material, like a baseboard or a really long board, maybe a 20 or 10 feet baseboard, with the double bevel miter saw, you don't have to flip the board over to get the angle on the other side. All you do is just flip a button there, and they just flip the angle to the other side. Basically, that's what happens with the double bevel miter saw. Bosch does have their own thing too. So this is a dual bevel with glide miter saw. It is down to $5.99. This is for the special buy of the day. You got a corded 12-inch double bevel compound miter saw for $361. This is not a deal, but check this out, guys. Here's another one. You got a 15 amp corded 12-inch double bevel compound miter saw with blade, wrench, and material clamp. Right here. Shop Black Friday. 2 left. Delivery 3,000 available. DWS 779. So it's the same as the other one. I don't know. The other one's just $100 more, and it comes with the free stand. Excuse my voice. And then we got the rigid. So this one's a 7 1/4 miter saw. Yeah, for to only $299. Where was I at? Did I lose myself? So, and then we have a 7, that's a 7 1/4. That's the regular price for that one, $5.99. That's the top of the line. I believe that's the, yeah, DW 780. So that's a little model just above the 779. The only difference is on this one, I believe you do get a laser cut, or not a laser cut, but like a shadow line or something like that with the lights. All right, let's see what we got here. They got another one here. This one's a dual bevel slide and miter saw for $8.59. Not necessarily the deal. All right, talking about the deal. This is the deal of the century here. This is the 779. All right, 15 amp corded double bevel sliding compound miter saw, and a 32.5 by 60-inch rolling miter saw stand. Guys, if you guys don't want to break your back, these saws are really heavy. You want to get a stand with some wheels on it, so you can move it easy. So this is it right here. This is the deal right here. This was $4.99. That's a killer deal on this one. That's what it comes with. So that's a really good deal on that one. Here's another. Oh, well, actually, no, that's the top. All right, so very comparable to that one. That one's $8.78. You're saving yourself quite some money there. Buy one get one free. All right. That's the stand right there. You're gonna get it for free. All right, I got one more, if I could find it. I think it was that one. I just passed it. It's this one. All right, we got the 60 volt. Now this, you're talking about battery powered here. It is the Tool Savings, which is the Black Friday stuff. You got the 60 volt lithium 12-inch cordless sliding miter saw. Buy one get one free. So on this one, you get a free 9, guys. So that's some good stuff there. You're gonna go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're gonna select that battery and you're gonna hack this, guys. Yes, the best for last, right? So add it to the cart. All right, you're gonna get that 9 amp hour battery for $172. Not necessarily the best deal, but check this out. You're gonna get this saw for $526. This is one of the newer saws. Definitely check it out. That's a good hack on this one. So, yep, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.